Hello, friends. We're going to start a little contest here on our Trade Ideas social media channels. And this contest is going to be three stocks. And I'd like you to comment on which three stocks I'm going to show you here you think will be a bigger percentage gainer by February 14th. So we'll call this a Valentine's Day challenge. The first stock we're going to look at, all of them are in downtrends for the most part, is Tesla. There you go. You can look at the chart on your own platform if you wish. The second one we're going to look at is AMD, semiconductor stock. Also been fighting a downtrend. All right. And the third stock that we're going to look at is going to be Netflix. Netflix is actually also in a downtrend, albeit a bit more volatile. So we got three big names there: Netflix, AMD, and Tesla. Please comment below which stock you think is going to perform the best between now and Valentine's Day. I look forward to your comments. Good luck.